May thy soul return to the great flame of fire. That was close. You aren't injured, are you? What was that? So you're the one? Yes! Forgive the late intro. As of this morning, I'll be your new third-generation fire soldier. I'm Shinra Kusakabe. It's an honor to meet So hey, Shinra. About your resume photo. Why are you smiling? Sir, apologies. When I'm nervous, my face compulsively tightens in such a way that my teeth are exposed. Whenever you move fast enough to stop time, your body disintegrates. In that moment, you die! You think I'd be dying? You use your flames to accelerate to the speed of light. That's how you stop in time. But that tears up your body, breaks it into subatomic particles. You're saying I can die for real?
We can stop. Help me, please.
That nigga's name is
P. Diddy, P. Diddy, P. Diddy.
Oh, P. Diddy, no! Oh, P. Diddy, no! Kill me even if I don't fight. The fact is, it's no longer human. But even so, I get it. Pay no attention to the words it says. Dispose of that Who the hell? Where's this guy? I don't understand. How are you this strong? Some kind of devil.
Calma, ya voy. Déjame ayudarte.
Please, Mary, he's your grandson. Don't say anything you'll regret. I'll say what I know. That is no grandson of mine. Do you have any idea what he's done? And look at him, not a shred of remorse. He's breathing like the devil he is. One who embraces the darkness like me will bring about real change. That's for real heroes. Shinra! That's what I'm gonna do. Even if that means taking on the world. Is something the matter? Captain? Some strange sensation is interfering with my universe. Am I growing? I'm feeling the press of death very strongly right now. Looks like he's moved on to the blue flames. Those are hotter and more powerful than his usual ones.
make it wrong. Blue flag, yes it wrong. Hate to see it with all the ice on in the booth. I think get outside with it for the